West Life Thrifty Wife here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a plan with me video for the week of March 12th. Some of the things I'll be using are these washi samples. I'm thinking about using purple and yellow together. So those are some washi samples that I got in the mail. I'm also going to use the stickers, hopefully from Recollections. I'm thinking about this washi sample too. And I have some sticker books from the Create 365. So I have two of them that I might be using, as well as these Made with Southern Love Fitness Kit add-ons. Not sure which color yet. And let's see, there's the Happy Planner ones. I have two books I'm going to try. And then this sticker kit that I have coming up is from Victoria Thatcher. Sorry, it's upside down. So let's get started. Let's see, so I've already pre-cut these stickers by using an X-Acto knife actually and a ruler to help get those straight lines. So I pre-cut them while watching some TV, and that takes some time, so I'm not going to do that on the video. And this is a big happy planner, and I use these three sections very differently. So the top part is usually something where I write appointments or housework plans such as chores. The middle is where I do my to-dos, and then the bottom is for things like pictures, any other information such as my workout and fitness information. And that's something that's new to this planner. I had a separate planner where I was doing meal plans and my exercise schedule, but I decided to condense everything and put it in this one planner that I can have with me. So I put some washi tape underneath that box on top to try to take up some of the white space. And since this is a big happy planner, there is a lot of white space, and I like that because there's extra room to write my to-do list. These flags that I'm using in the middle are sometimes used for appointments, but I like that they're clear flags, and for my to-do list, I can add the circles myself. There's not a set number or set spacing that I have to use, so I actually like those. So I'm going to use them as my to-do list flags. And this kit is so great. I think this kit is called like Black Girls or something like that. And it's got, you know, the business lady, the superwoman, the relax lady in there, and the colors are fantastic. So I'm going to really try to find some purple from this Create 365 book. So I'm not sure. I hadn't even flipped through this book before, so I'm not really finding anything. So I think I'm just going to continue going along with this kit. So as you see there, those are some of the other stickers that I'll be using. And I'm going to try to, you know, space out the colors and do a pattern. So that one I decided to be light blue. So this is one thing I like about the Happy Planners is you can take out the pages. That allows room to decorate on those inside areas without hitting the disc. So I like that. So moving on to the second half of the week, Thursday through Friday. Now that I've got my pattern, I'm going to start adding those flags in the middle for my to-do list and trying to decide, you know, what pictures I'm going to use. I like to also spread those out. So sometimes I put them on top, sometimes I put them on the bottom. But I'm in my head, I'm thinking about how much space do I need and where am I writing things. So for that Thursday, I've got a lot going on that day, Thursday and Friday. So I think I'm going to add that half square there to write some more notes, and the Friday square to write my task while I'm at home teleworking, and a nice quote to add to the page too. I don't think I had a quote yet, so I'm really, really loving this kit. Now the fitness add-on has to fit on here too. Don't forget that. So I can't get too carried away with this weekly kit from Victoria Thatcher. And I'll link it down below if I can. I think I can link the site or the Google Docs page that she has all of her kits on. And the one I use is her Google Docs page for Big Happy Planner. This weekend one was so hard to cut out, but I love how it looks. I took my time. Friday I telework, so that means I have time to enjoy a nice cup of coffee. So back to the beginning of the week. Since that purple in the Victoria Thatcher kit is just so boom in your face, I decided to use the purple Made with Southern Love fitness kit add-on, and I'll link her information as well in the bottom. She has an Etsy page as well as a Facebook page, and I follow her on Instagram. So I'm trying this one. So as you see, I'm putting my workout stickers on the bottom, and I'm going to put my hydrate tracker on the side, and I like how it has all of the days on one sticker. So continuing with my workouts, this week it's so amazing. I'm trying to work out every day. It may be a full hour, it may be only be 20 minutes, but I'm going to make sure I get in some activity to get that blood circulating and start that healthy lifestyle. Now, I try to weigh in on Fridays before the weekend. This helps me kind of gauge the amount of activity that I need to do. So, and if I lost weight, it kind of gets me set up for the weekend to not overdo it because I don't want to undo the progress that I've made thus far. So I'm adding a few of the icons, such as the dumbbell and some of the quotes, to the workout stickers. It adds a little bit of embellishment. And she's got so many stickers on her kit. It's really cool. I'm seeing that I can put this hydrate tag above that hydrate sticker. And then she's got some other trackers that can be used. So this is overall a really good kit, and I like how it's coming together with my Victoria Thatcher kit. Now, what's also really great is, and it's different than other meal fitness kits that I've used for the meals, but I can add some meal things in this, and that's the lunch. So the meal stickers from this fitness kit I'm using for my lunch plans. And I grabbed some 365 stickers, Happy Planner stickers, because I do my grocery shopping on Friday or Saturday. So I just want to add that in there. And let's see, now thinking about my Saturday and my weekend plans, I usually do chores. So I need to make sure I have my chore list in there. So I have to pull up one of those flags. And Victoria Thatcher's kit I have printed at work actually on sticker paper, but it's not repositionable. So you'll see that if I lift it up, it rips and I can't replace it. So I added some of these great stickers on Sunday because that is my church day as well as my relaxed day. Payday is Thursday, and I think that quote goes really good with how I feel about work and getting paid. Girl, I grind so much, and payday is a good reward because I get paid for my efforts very well. And so I grind and I get paid. I'm a professional. I love it. Oh, can't forget to add the date dots. This is fun. So starting on March 12th, have some interesting ways of putting those dots on. I think next time I'll probably use some tweezers. So adding the date dots, sometimes I write them above or write them next to, but I don't typically use these date dots in the monthly view. I write it in the monthly view. So that's something that is a little bit different. I'm not sure. Let me know down below where you use your date dots. Do you use them on the weekly views or do you use your date dots on the monthly views? Okay, so now I'm just adding my to-do headings on top of my to-do list, which is new. I don't usually do that, but I like the way how it separates things. Let's see, I'm going to try to figure out if I can do a different color from a different sticker packet. And yep, I'm adding in what's for dinner. I love how this big Happy Planner has so much space. So what's for dinner, I can add in our dinner plans during the week where possible. I can't really fit it in on that Friday, so I think I'm going to, remove that to-do list because I can do my to-dos up above in the square. And instead, I'm going to add my what's for dinner on that Friday. And actually, Friday, we are eating out. So I don't necessarily have to do it, but I'm just starting something different. And I have to use this washi tape to cover the piece of the paper that ripped when I pulled up that flag. I see that's my handy dandy X-Acto knife to cut my washi into straight lines. So that adds a little bit of flair on there. And then on Saturday, the what's for dinner is going to have to be up top because of my chore list, and the what's for dinner on Sunday is under my pretty purple natural lady down there. Okay, so we've got a lot of stickers on here, and this is starting to really look great. Let's see, I'm trying to see if I can add some great stickers from this kit that came with my Happy Planner, because when I bought my Happy Planner, I got it from Ross Stores, and it was in a huge kit. So I used one of those recollections stickers that goes along with this kit with the important heading, because during the days of March 17th through the 20th, the cherry blossoms will be in peak bloom here in DC. So these beautiful pink stickers are going to be my cherry blossoms. So I need to remember to, probably on Sunday after church, the fam is going to go down to the water tidal basin and the monument to do some walking around and see those beautiful cherry blossoms. This is one of those things where I love being in DC, is we get to be so close to the monuments and the cherry blossoms and different types of parades and events. And it's really great. My daughter gets to, do it. But her allergies flare up. She is an allergy child, so she's probably not so happy about the spring. She sneezes multiple times a day. So we're going to do the cherry blossoms. Now I'm adding some sticker embellishments to these areas. I put a date night. I put our little friend Quill from Ava's paper, and then that date night sticker is from a kit that I got from a friend at a planner event. So here's the final product. I might do some tweaking later on, but that's what it looks like at the end, guys. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments. Be sure to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.